Hey guys, welcome back to Smith RC Studios. First of all, I hope all of you guys are staying safe and social distancing and staying inside the house for the most part. I've been stuck inside the house and I just wanted to get out today. It's a nice day in California. The sun is out finally, and I'm in this empty parking lot over here, as you can see. Nobody's here. Obviously, people are at home, and all this is behind me. It's a gym. It's closed. So I figured, why not rip the BR40. I'm on tank number 3. I already broke it in. If you guys haven't seen that yet, I have a couple of videos. I'll link them below, right? And I also did an unboxing of this Bartolone Racing BR40. I love the engine. Super loud, super fast, a lot of torque. If you guys have not seen any of that yet, well, today's your lucky day, because today I'm going to do some fast ripping on that engine behind me, okay? I got the GoPro. I'm going to put it on there. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. My name is Lewis Smith. Yeah, I hope you guys have fun watching this video. Let me take you back over here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so I brought the shell today, and this is the BR40. Again, lovely engine. It's very powerful, but I'm going to do some speed runs today, and I've also mentioned we are on tank number 3, so it's not fully broken in, but you'll hear it just right now. Let's rip it. Let's get this thing going. Fucking badass, man. Alright guys, so yeah, I was doing some speed runs, and this engine is so powerful, I'm going to have to Loctite the linkage that connects to right, it's hard to see on camera, but right there. You see how that came off right there? So I lost my, the little screw that goes in there, I lost it. So yeah, let me reattach that and continue doing some speed runs. Well, that was fun. Off camera, this thing did some gnarly crashes. I hit a couple curbs. I almost flipped it another time. This truck really took a beating today. So look at the damage. Right in there. Anyway, I think that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for tuning in to Smith RC Studios. You guys stay safe out there, please, and take care of your family. Social distancing, please. And thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, please subscribe. I have a whole bunch of stuff coming, but the thing is, of course, shipments have been on hold with Chris Bartolone. He called me the other day, and things are underway. All right, so stay tuned for more videos. See you guys later.